será, será. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see.
Good morning, all my sunshiners. Welcome when it's a beautiful day today. I'm Cheryl and I'm here for another session of Sing, Sway, Smile. So today we've got two things to do. We're going to have a good old sing-along together to the Rod Stewart song I Am Sailing, and then we're going to do a little bit of seat chair dancing just to get things moving and get us feeling good. But first we're going to do our sing-along. So I want to hear everybody singing nice and loud. Are you with me? Let's go. Let's do a little bit of swaying. We're going to imagine we're on the ocean. I am sailing, I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. I am flying, I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing high clouds to be near you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever crying to be with you. Who can say? Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever crying to be with you. Who can say? Okay, I want to see everybody swaying with me today. Are you swaying? Don't forget those lovely smiles for me. Once again, we're going to bring sunshine into our house. Are you feeling good? I want to make sure you're singing nice and loud today. Maybe the neighbors will join in with us. Are we ready? We are sailing. We are sailing. We are sailing home again, across the sea. Your turn. We are sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. Oh Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh Lord. Okay, we're gonna go back to our swaying. Hear me. Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever crying to be with you. Who can lovely sunshiners. I hope you enjoyed that song. We're going to continue with our seated dancing again. So I've chosen that party song, Superman. Now I'm not going to teach the actions because I'm going to do it as we go through the song this time because it'll be easier for us to remember. So I want some nice energy, remember? Sit towards the front of your seat, sit up straight if you can, and only do as much as is comfortable for you. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's go! We're going to clap our hands.
1, 2, 3, go! Clap your hands.
Big smiles, clap those hands.
Sleep.
We're going to sleep.
Wave your hands.
Wave at me. Woo!
Hit your ride.
Hit your ride.
Sneeze.
We're going to sneeze. Achoo. Achoo.
Go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's see you swim.
We're going to swim.
Now ski.
And ski. Down the slope.
Spray.
Spray.
Macho man.
Show me your muscles.
Sound your horn.
Beep, 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 beep.
Ring the bell.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong.
Okay.
Okay. We're good.
Kiss.
Blow your kiss.
Comb your hair.
Let's move the
Wave your
head.
hand.
Wave.
Come on, wave your hands.
Wave at me. Woo!
Superman.
All right.
Clap your
We're
hands.
going to clap those hands.
Now you're looking really good.
You're looking
Now you
good.
got the hang of it. We're gonna try it one more time. We're gonna do it again,
We're going to do
okay?
it one more time, sunshiners.
Sleep.
And sleep.
Wave your hands.
Wave those hands. Woo!
Hit your ride.
Hit your eye.
Sneeze.
Achoo. Achoo. Bless you.
Go for a walk.
We're going to go for a walk.
Let's see you swim.
Let's have a swim.
And ski.
Let's ski down the slopes.
Spray.
I'm smelling fresh.
Macho man.
Show me your muscles.
Sound your horn.
Beep, 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 beep.
And ring the
Ring the
bell.
bell. Ding dong. Ding dong.
Okay.
Okay, we're looking good.
Kiss.
Let me kiss.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Wave.
Give me a nice big wave.
Wave your hands.
Woo!
Superman.
All right.
Okay, clap your hands. Little bit louder.
Are you ready?
Now clap your hands and bend your knees with the music.
Tap your legs.
Right, what we're gonna do now. Now you've really got the hang of this. We're gonna try it one
got the
more
hang
time, but a little bit faster.
We're gonna go faster,
Okay.
sunshiners. Are you ready?
Sleep, wave,
Wave.
hit your ride,
Hit your eye.
sneeze,
Shoot. And shoot. Walk.
swim,
Slip.
ski,
Ski.
spray, macho,
Show me
blow your
muscles.
horn,
Beep,
ring
beep.
the bell.
Ring the bell. Ding dong.
Okay,
Okay.
kiss,
Kiss.
comb your hair,
Comb your hair.
wave,
Wave.
give them a wave.
Let's give me a wave.
Superman.
Superman! Woo! I hope you managed to keep up there. The last one was fast, wasn't it? Hope you've had some fun this morning, sunshiners. I've certainly enjoyed your company. Do join me once again tomorrow at 11 for some more Sing, Sway, Smile. You come back to say bye-bye, Tilly? No, she's run off. Take care. Have a lovely day. Bye.